Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to send unknown number to voicemail on iPhone iOS 26. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, locate and click on apps. Scroll down the apps page until you get to the phone app and select it. Now scroll down the phone app until you get to calls from unknown numbers. Then locate send to voicemail and toggle this on. Then you should see call from unsaved number will be silenced, send to voicemail and display on the recent list. So with this, all unsaved numbers or unknown contacts on your iPhone iOS 26 will be sent to voicemail automatically. And that's it. So that's exactly how to send unknown number or unsaved number on iPhone to voicemail automatically on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.